Welcome to the Superior Livestock family. Superior Livestock Auction is the nation's leader in marketing load lots of cattle via satellite and the internet. Committed to innovation and utilizing the best technology available, Superior leads the way in satellite video marketing and continues to take a leadership role in internet marketing.
A rep for Superior Livestock for the last 25 years. I like to use the country page because it gives me an advantage to sell these cattle for immediate delivery. Right after the first year, I started putting more and more cattle on there because the feeders and backgrounders in Montana and places wanted an outlet for those cattle in between the sales, and I've gotten along excellent with the program.
That's one thing that kind of sets the base for the country page is hard work, dedication, and when we get an upswing in the market, we really need to get these cattle traded. The country page is the way to go.
The success and growth of Superior Livestock Auction is the result of its reputation for honesty and integrity, its qualified and professional staff and representatives, thousands of satisfied customers, its leadership role in industry innovations, and its goal to be the best, most complete livestock marketing service in the industry. It shaped the national cattle market for both buyers and sellers. At first, it started off with 15 staff personnel in 6 U.S. states. Currently, there are more than 375 representatives nationwide who market cattle across the United States. Superior Livestock Auction, marketing cattle for people, to people.
To have the opportunity, my partner Buddy Jeffers and myself, to bring Superior Livestock to the Fort Worth yards. At that time, it was kind of try to revamp the history if we could. We didn't know exactly what we could do and what we couldn't, but in 1987 we had our first auction here in the Exchange Building, actually it was in Billy Bob's, for Superior Livestock.
We not only reach a national audience with our broadcast, but also through our various TV programs. The Best of the American Rancher, hosted by the legendary Pam Minnick.
Welcome back to the American Rancher. Superior Livestock Auction has been the leader of marketing livestock through video and technology since its inception. Our first stop will be out in West Texas, near the community of Albany, where we caught up with Ronnie McNutt, who was shipping cattle off the Nail Ranch in June.
Superior Livestock Auction's opening program, Superior Sunrise, hosted by Katie Kaufman.
Good morning and welcome to Superior Sunrise, live from our studios right here in Fort Worth, Texas. The month of May is National Beef Month, and what better way to celebrate than talk about all things beef this morning on Sunrise.
Welcome to Kirby's Corner. As most of you know how the process of a delivery works, what you might find interesting is the unique relationship between the consignor and the rep. I was able to tag along with one of our reps and visit a consignor on Superior Livestock Auctions, as well as visit his ranch to capture the process.
What's in a name?
Superior Productions.
Reputation, integrity, creativity. What's in our name?
Superior Productions.
An industry-leading production company that focuses on its roots, serving the ag industry for over 10 years. We grew out of a need and blossomed into a leader. At Superior Productions, we understand that a name means far more than just some words on a page. It's character and history. It's lifelong endeavors. It's your identity. What's in a name?
Superior Productions. Come see why we're more than just a name.